Got a tree down, man. A small tornado just came through on top of this ridge. Listen. Oh shit. I just lost power. This is bad, y'all. I'm right here by these high tension wires. Listen to this. Oh, I better get back. This tree's about to come down on the power line.